guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're looking at the new album by Taylor Swift called Midnight. So we're just gonna go through the tracks.
I'm just gonna show you the chords, like the intermediate, beginner, advanced way to play this.
Okay, so the first track is Lavender Haze. Alright, so first things first, we find the pitch. Okay, so we're gonna put our capo on fret number 3 for the first song, and we're playing it in G. Okay, so the chords that you need to know would be okay, so for the verse we're playing na 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 na, C to D na, 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 to A minor. So C, D, A minor. Alright, so that's your C, and then for G I'm just sliding it to frets 3 to 5 and then back to A minor, and my capo is on 3rd fret. Okay, so C to D to A minor. Everyone asking me if I'm gonna be alright. Okay, so the chords remain the same throughout pretty much the whole song, because your verses, your pre-chorus, your chorus still has the same structure of the songs. So how do we break this down into beginner, intermediate, and advanced? So the beginner is gonna just wanna strum the chords, which I will have somewhere on the screen. Okay, for the beginner players, right? So C to D, and then A minor, and you're gonna want to strum if you're a beginner. So down, 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 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's your C. 1, 2, 3. That's your D, and then A we play twice. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do that again. C, D, and then A minor, again A minor, and then now intermediate is gonna wanna pluck the strings. So 5, 4, 3, 2 for both C and A minor, and then for D you can use 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 5, 4, 3, 2. And then advanced player is gonna play C and then slide C to 3rd and 5th fret to make a D, and then back to A minor. And you're gonna incorporate both strums and plucks. Alright, so the pattern there is basically 5, 4, 3, pluck, 5, 4, 3, pluck, 5, 4, 3, pluck, 5, 4, 3, pluck. Alright, so 5, 4, 5. So when I pluck 3, I'm plucking 3 and 2. So 5, 4 both pluck, right? Both is 2 and 3, right? Strings 2 and 3. Both 5, 4 both pluck, and then 5, 4 both pluck or strum, right? So pluck will be plucking all of them or strumming all of them. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the song, because it's gonna be the same throughout. And if you want to, you know, be more pro about it, you can play the, sorry, the track is over now, so I'm just trying to replay it. You can play the Alright, so that's just 3, 5, 7, 3, 5. So 3, 5, 7, 3, 5. Alright, and that's pretty much the whole song.